Hey, what's going on? It's your boy, the male girlfriend here, and I talk a lot about Dream It, Plan It, Live It. 3 steps to your success. So in this video, I want to discuss just the Dream It portion. Okay, let's talk about it. Dream it, dream it, dream it. Talk about dream it, which is to gain clarity. And I love this section of Dream It, Plan It, Live It because it's probably the most inventive of our creative space. You get to pretty much dream and figure out what it is you want, and the sky is the limit, you know? It's kind of like Reading Rainbow. You remember that show, Reading Rainbow? So dream it, okay? It's to gain clarity. Gain clarity, take some time, invest in yourself, go into your own space, you know, lounge about, maybe sit in a little rocking chair, and spend time with yourself, make you the priority, and gain clarity as to what it is you want, what would help you live your most fulfilled life, what gives you fulfillment, and write it down. That's the next part of this. You gotta write it down. You wanna write it down as you go through your creative space, and you can kind of refer back to that, or as you gain the clarity and figure out what it is you want, write that down too. But I know in the digital world, we're always like, you know, texting it or typing it or voicing it into the whatever, you know, machinery. But I believe the best way is to write it down, because it comes out of your being, through your energy, and into that pen and pad. And there you don't have to worry about the little squiggly line underneath the letter. You don't have to worry about if it's spelled right or how it looks or anything, because it's just for you. Just hold on, I got my my Whitney Houston pat cloth. You know, yeah, little pat because the sun is on us. As you are writing it out, also find out why it is you want what you want. Figure out what is it about that item that touches your heart and has you wanting to accomplish that very goal. So that's Dream It. To gain clarity, write it down, take the time for yourself, know why you want it, and don't shy away. Don't shy away from it, you know? Don't let anyone tell you that you should or shouldn't do it. As you see in this world today, there's so many great inventions and services that people, I'm sure, at one time thought was no good. Purell hand sanitizer, think about that, 25 years ago didn't exist. Not that it didn't exist, because it definitely existed, it just didn't hit the scene like it did today. What else is, I mean, hell, Apple, okay? Steve Jobs' story, look at that. People didn't believe in what he was doing either, but how many people got the iPhone, got the whole iFamily, okay? So, gain clarity. That's all I had to say about that. Please take a moment to subscribe to my channel, join the email list so I can keep you posted with all the newsletters, and inside those newsletters you get tips and tricks and tools that you can use to move you closer to your fulfilled life, and also let you know about some of the upcoming events I have. I'm Teangelo, the male girlfriend here, and I want you to live life to the fullest. Ciao. Wow! Oh, I thought a bug landed on me. It's my button. Oh my gosh. I thought it was a bug.